Man, I like you gonna be tired, man. So, what you tell me?
I'm in the same guy with the same accent. How many guys with the same accent? Let me tell you what makes it up for me. Find it in the book.
Found chunks. Oh, you have to do it? Yeah. Where are we at now? We in picture? No, this is picture.
We're in picture, but we gotta go to channel. And then when you go there, you gotta make sure it's on antenna.
Yeah.
And then run the auto program. And automatically it's gonna pick up sound system.
Okay. What about input or auxiliary? What are these buttons?
That's something else. I mess with everything, man. It doesn't do nothing.
That's what he told me that's not the original remote for it, but
no, it's not. This is universal remote control.
This is the Samuel.
This one works, but it doesn't move. It doesn't let me go.
What about if you go to menu here? To click that menu button to see what?
That's how it is. It goes up. It goes in.
What about input, anything?
No, it doesn't do nothing. You see?
That's what the original remote control are the best one. Alright. This TV works. Let me get around here. I will turn it. Okay. That connect everything behind it, and it will work. Now. So what's telling me I have to get on menu.
You gotta go to menu. Go to channel.
Go to satellite.
Yeah, with the
satellite.
Go to make sure it's an antenna, no cable.
Antenna.
And then run the auto program. Automatically it's gonna pick up channel system.
Okay. Information I didn't have yesterday.
That's all you got. That's all you got. Let me make sure it's
Quincy, where you at? Jenny. Now this TV, it will work. There's channel 60 on this. Keep clicking. It's programmed to go to channel. This is one of the old 62. Go down.